Do you think you have the best hair in the NCAA?
The best hair?
Oh yeah.
For sure. Yeah, it was all planned. We trained for that. We had a good race strategy that I work every day with my coaches. We knew what to do in each 50. And I was pretty happy with it. I'm hoping to swim a little bit more faster in the race. Oh yeah. We worked for that. That was also planned. We trained really hard for that 50 to make it faster every time, and I'm glad that I could break this barrier of 20 seconds. Not really. I just want to have fun, swim fast. Got a couple of my teammates too that have this opportunity to swim really fast tomorrow. We're pretty stacked in the butterfly, and I'm pretty hyped to see what the team can do in the butterfly. Oh yeah. Our team is doing pretty well. We have 4 guys that can swim very fast at each stroke, and we're pretty hyped. We're very excited for see what we can do in the season.